Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add emoji to your videos in CapCut PC. This is a simple trick, but it can make your edits feel more fun, more expressive, and easier for viewers to connect with, especially when you are making short-form content, reaction videos, tutorials, gaming clips, or social media edits. If you want to make your edits feel more expressive, more playful, and a lot more engaging, adding emojis is one of the fastest ways to do it. The good news is that CapCut on PC already has a built-in sticker library, so you don't need to download anything extra or import outside files. Everything you need is already inside the editor, and the process is very quick once you know where to click. Emojis can also help guide the viewer's attention, highlight a funny moment, show a reaction, or make a simple scene feel more lively without adding complicated effects. To get started, go to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Stickers tab. This opens CapCut's built-in graphics library, where you'll find a huge collection of visual elements that can be added directly into your project. If you've never used this section before, think of it as CapCut's ready-made design panel for overlays and graphic elements. This section is useful not only for emojis, but also for icons, labels, decorative graphics, and small visual details that can make your video look more complete. Once the Stickers tab is open, look over to the left sidebar and scroll through the available graphic folder until you find the emoji category. Click on that section, and a full grid of emoji options will appear on screen. You can browse through the collection, hover over the emoji you want to use, and then click the blue plus icon to add it straight into your timeline. That's the fastest way to place an emoji into your video without dragging in external assets. For example, you can use a laughing emoji for a funny reaction, a fire emoji for an exciting moment, or an arrow-style graphic to point viewers towards something important on screen. After that, look down at your timeline and make sure the new sticker layer is selected. This is important because you want CapCut to know that the emoji is the element you're currently editing. Then, move your attention to the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see a bounding box around the emoji. Use the corner handles to resize it, making it smaller for a subtle reaction, or larger if you want it to stand out more clearly. Then, click and drag the emoji itself to position it anywhere on the frame. A good tip is to keep emojis away from important faces, captions, buttons, or main action in the video, so they add personality without blocking the content. Finally, if you want to control how long the emoji stays visible, go back down to the timeline and stretch the edges of the sticker layer. Extending the block keeps it on screen longer, while shortening it makes it disappear sooner. This gives you precise control over timing, which is especially useful if you want the emoji to match a reaction, punchline, or visual cue in your video. Timing matters a lot here, because an emoji usually works best when it appears exactly when the viewer is supposed to notice the emotion, joke, or important moment. And that's it. Clean, sharp, high-definition emoji added to your CapCut PC video in just a few clicks. You're all set. Once you get comfortable with this method, you can use emojis to make your edits feel more personal, more engaging, and more polished without needing any advanced editing skills.